Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, welcome back in second MongoDB tutorial. In this tutorial, before starting a MongoDB, I'm going to start JSON. JSON is a technology on which your MongoDB is based. So before learning a MongoDB, we should understand what is JSON. As we know that JSON is a standard JavaScript object notation. It is open source standard for data interchange globally between client and server. It is lightweight, self-describing. It is totally JavaScript based technology, very easy to read and write. Language independent means any language can use JSON, like Java can use, C# can use, C++ can use, JavaScript can use. As your new type of technology, Node.js can use. Any language can use JSON technology. The basic data structure which we used in JSONs are arrays and objects. Main key feature of JSONs are very simple, open source, self-describing. Internationalized JSONs means it is acceptable globally and computer technology across the world. Extensible, anytime we can increase, anytime we can decrease. Interoperability means it is language independent, is platform independent, anywhere, everywhere you can use it just like a Java. Now in this we have a JSON object. JSON object hold key and value pair. Each key is represented as a string in JSON and value can be of any type. The key and values are separated by column. As we see the employee. This employee is a key and is a string. Is separated by colon. Again we have a object inside this. We having a name as a string, colon, and then Sonu as a value. So with this value, Sonu is of string type. The 56,000 is a number of type. The type of this is number. Key is salary. Again married is a key and colon is separating keys and values of boolean data type. And each key and key value pair is separated by column. For example, name and Sonu is a one key value pair, then separate by column. Salary is also second, married is again, but married is the last, so we do not need to put here comma. So all the object in JSONs are represented in a curly brackets. As we see this bracket starting from here ending here, so this is curly bracket to represent object. Same here, employees having this curly bracket and this also stopping curly bracket, so this data is also inside the object. So this represent curly bracket represent objects in JSON. Now second one is array. Arrays represent as a order list of value. Order means we have some meanings. Just like we having example here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So this is an array, but by reading this we can easily understand this array is represent weeks of the day of the weeks. As just like January, February also month of the year. So we should have some kind of order. JSON array can be stored multiple value. As we know that array is a collection of multiple value. Similarly, we can store multiple value here, and we also having a data type of any type, just like string, number, boolean, object. Any data type is supported in array as a JSON. Array also separated by a comma. Similarly, as we use in C, Java, and other languages, array value is always separated by comma. Whenever we see this square brackets in JSON, that means array. Let's take example. We start here square bracket, we end this square bracket here. So between these square bracket we having certain values. These values, each and every value is separated by a comma. So these comma we having a days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all are string. Second example, storing a number in array 12, 34, 56, and this array start by this square bracket and by this square bracket and having a value of numeric type. So these are all about the array and object in